Hello friends, I am just making my lunch. I'm working from home today, attending a virtual conference, but the timing's off a little bit because it's actually in New Orleans and there's an hour difference, so a little bit later than usual lunch. But I had a friend reach out who wanted some tips on how to get this fry basket in the air fryer, and I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to show you a few tips and tricks with the air fryer as I reheat my lunch. So the first thing I want to show you, let me just flip this around. This little storage solution is fantastic. It's actually a replacement part. It's a Pampered Chef replacement part for the rolling cookie cutter, but I don't have the rolling cookie cutter. I just put all of these. This is for the barbecue, the skewer set, and then I put all the skewers in there, and then I've got like that's for the rotisserie bit and the sharp pointy things. It just fits so nicely in there, and then I don't have all those sharp things going all over my cupboard, so I really like that. Another little trick. You'll notice, so our air fryer comes with 2 trays, but I've got a third. So you can actually buy a replacement air fryer tray so that you can do 3 trays of cooking at the same time. I know for families, that's a major concern with the air fryer is how much food can I fit in it? Well, with the third tray, you can do a lot. So that's really good. This is another trick. So I've seen lots of people, instead of using oven mitts, they just use these tongs. I love these tongs, and I found out that a lot of people don't like the tongs because they don't know how they work. If you hold them like this, they lock. See that? But then if you squeeze them upside down, they unlock. I had no idea. So squeeze them together like that, locked, push them, and then unlocked upside down. So really great. I love that feature. And then, they're really good tongs. They have a silicone, I don't know what you call that. The end of the tongs are coated in silicone. So they're great if you have a non-stick frying pan that you don't want to scratch up. But it also just gives it a really great grip. So I'm going to take these out. I know I could just be doing this with bare hands because the air fryer isn't actually hot. But the thing that my friend wanted to see was, how do you get the fry basket in and out? So I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it comes with this device. So you just let it sit in there and they just kind of hook on the ends. And then inside the air fryer, I should probably clean my air fryer, there are 2 sides. So you want to put the left side in first, and it just kind of sits in there. And then the right side, whoopsies, I knew this would happen, just falls into place over there. And then when you close it up, I hope you were able to see that. I'll do it again, just in case. The right side just kind of falls in. And then to take it out, you pull the right side up, and then pull that side out. And then it comes out really easily. So I'll do that again just so that you can see. So you've got the fry basket just resting on the sides there. And then you're just going to slide it in. Oh, the light came off. So let's turn it back on again so you can see. Oh, the fun of live video. There we go. We got lights. Okay. So I've got it resting in there, and then I'll show you, you just pop the left side into the hole, and then that will allow the right side to just kind of fall into place. Just like that. Super easy. And then you would put it on the rotisserie setting, well, depending on what you're cooking, but you just want to make sure that the rotating symbol is on. So if I did, sure, that means the rotate is on, that's off. So make sure rotate is going. But I don't have any food in here. I need to reheat my pizza. So we're going to cancel this, take that out, and put in my trays. But yeah, that is just a few tips and tricks of how to use the air fryer, and I hope you find that useful. If you're looking for an air fryer for your kitchen, I absolutely recommend this one. It's really great, really fun, great for cooking for a family because you can fit so much in it. And if you would like to get it on sale, just send me a message. There's lots of ways we can do that. Okay, talk to you soon.